Before starting the video, I would like to tell you something about IBPSguide.com. In their website, they provide a daily free question which help you to boost your preparation either for banking or SSC examination. Also, you can check out their test series which has high standard question with a detailed solution, and at the end of each test, we provide with smart analysis that how well you performed, which are the area you must work on, and also test series are available in both language, that is Hindi as well as English. It is accessible on both desktop as well as mobile app, whichever suits on you. For more information, you can visit estore.ibpsguide.com. Now let's move towards our video.
Everyone, welcome to IBPS Guide. I am Kashish Goel, your reasoning guide, and today we are back with a session for SBI PO mains, and today we have a high level machine input output question. So before proceeding toward the question, I would like to request you all, please do subscribe to our channel, do like the video and do share it with your friends, and please visit estore.ipsguide.com for the quality mock test series, and also www.ipsguide.com for the study materials related to banking or SSC. Now let's see our question. So here is the question. The input is given to you, the steps are here to solve it, and there is another input you have to solve. So let me know the answer in the last step you are getting after solving the input. You have to tell me the answer that you will get after solving the input in the last step. That will be your task. As you know that in input output there is not a perfect concept to solve the question. Okay, there is a logic that you have to find. Nothing else we needed. We just need the logic to solve this. Okay, nothing else we needed. So just focus on the numbers, how the numbers are made, and let me know the answer in the final step you are getting. Okay, just see the solution. So what way the input we have? So input we have 3684, that is a number, and from it the step number is 1 is formed, and you are getting 36 from these number, and from 6537 you are getting 27, 8369 you are getting 54, 4976 you are getting 39. So first of all you have to think how you can get 36 from 3684. Okay, so just first of all let's add the digits 639, 94, 13, 13 and 8. It will not form 36 at all. So this is not possible in this case. Okay, the adding up is not possible. So now just adding up the adding, not multiplying the this. See, just 3 6 are 18, okay, and 8 4 are 32, because if you multiply all the digits it will not possible to get 36. So 3 6 are 18 and 8 4 are 32. Can you get anywhere you close to 36? No, you are not getting 36. Now next let's see what you can do. 3 into 8, that is 24, and 6 into 4, 24. Not, this is not also possible. Now 3 into 4 and 6 into 8, 3 4s are 12, 6 8s are 48. Okay, and now you are getting 36. How? See, 3 4s are 12, 6 8s are 48, and 48 minus 12, what it goes? 36. What you get? 36. But if it is applicable in all the numbers, then it will be the right way, otherwise it will not be. Okay, otherwise it will not be. Now let's see that first of all the first digit should be multiplied with the last, that is 6 into 7, that is 42, and second with the third, 5 3s are 15. So 42 minus 15, that will be 27. Yes, you are getting it here also. Now here 8 9s are 72, and 3 6 are 18. So 72 minus 18, you are getting 54. Yes, this is also right. Now here 6 4 is 24, and 7 9 is 63. So 63 minus 24, you are getting 39. Yes, you are getting it. So how you are getting step number 1? That the number you are multiplying the digit first with the fourth digit, and second with the third digit. This is the digits, these are the digits, and then you are finding a difference between them. Okay, you are finding the difference between them. So this is how you are getting step number 1. This is clear or not clear? So just I am erasing all this so that we can move further on. Now let's see step number 1 to step number 2. From 36 you are getting 27. Clear? Now see, 3 6 are 18 or 3 or 6, 9 9 3 are, or you can say this, see 3 plus 6 that is 9 and 9 3 are 27. But here it is possible or not? See, 2 plus 7 that is 9, 9 5 are, it is 45. Okay, and this is 5 plus 4 that is 9. Okay, 9 into 1 that is 9. 3 plus 9, 3 plus 9, what are you getting? 12. 12 into 6, what are you getting? 72. So this is how you can make step number 2. See how? See, first of all 3 plus 6 that is 9 and you multiply by 3. Why you are multiplying by 3? Because this is the difference between 6 and 3, that will form 27. Clear? Now here is 27, so 2 plus 7 that is 9 and difference between 2 and 7 that is 5. So 9 5s are 45. Again 54. 5 plus 4 that is 9 and difference between 5 and 4 that is 1, that is will be 9. Now 3 plus 9 that is 12, difference between them is 6, so 12 6 are 72. So this is how step number 2 is formed. Clear? Now let's move on to step number 3. So in step number 3, 27, okay, and you have 45 and you are making it total of it will be 54. So you have to see how you can make this 54. So let's see. First of all, let's see the digit should be multiplied or the square. So first of all, let's see the multiply with you can do it or not. Let's see, 2 4s are 8 and 7 4s are 7 5s are 35. Not possible with this. Or 2 into 7 or 4 into 5. Is this possible? 7 2s are 14, 5 4s are 20. This is not possible. 2 into 5 or 7 into 4. This is also not possible. So with multiplying you are not getting anything, and plus with adding up the digits you can't get 54. So now let's move on to the finding the squares. See, 2 square is 4, 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So from these you have to make something that you can get 54. Okay. Now see, that 49 plus 25, what you are getting? 49 plus 25, what are you getting? 74. And 4 plus 16, that you are getting 20. And 74 minus 20, what you are getting? 54. So what are you doing? That you are taking the first digit of this one and first digit of this number, that is 2 square plus 4 square, that will form 20, and second digit of this and second digit of this, that is 7 square, that is 49, plus 5 square, that is 25, and you are getting total of 74. Now finding the difference, 74 minus 20, you are getting 54. Clear or not? This is clear or not? So this is how you are finding the step number 3. Now let's move on to step number 3rd. Step number 3rd, that is now step number 4. Now we have 54 and there you have 36 and you are forming 9. Okay, so now see, 5 plus 4 9, you can't do it like this. Okay, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 3 9, no, you can't make it like this. So how you have to do? See, first of all, let's, because the number is very less, so just add up the digits. 5 plus 4 9, not 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 4 10, not possible. So now let's multiplying the digit. 5 4s are 20, 6 3s are 18, not possible. 5 3s are 15 and 6 4s are 24. Now here you can make it. 5 3s are 15 and 6 4s are 24 and the difference between them is 9. Yes, this is possible, that we are multiplying the first digit of each number, that is 5 into 3, that is 15, and now multiplying the second digit of each number, that is 6 into 4, that is 24, and now 24 minus 15, it will form 9. So this is our final step. Clear or not? So this is how you have to solve this input or step wise step. Clear? So now it is your homework. You have to solve this input and let me know the answer, okay, of some question. Okay, you have to answer me some question that in step number 1 what numbers you are getting. In step number 1 what number you are getting. In step number 2 what numbers you are getting. In step number 3 what numbers you are getting. And in step number 4 what will be your final result or final number you are getting. This will be your homework. You have to do it yourself. I have told you the logic. Now you have to submit the answer according to that. Clear? Got this or not? So this is all we have for today. And if you really find it helpful, if you really find it is the question that can be asked in SBI PO mains, then please do like the video and do share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Keep watching and keep learning.